What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I have a review on not only Amazon's cheapest electric pressure washer, but also on Amazon's cheapest foam cannon. So you're definitely going to want to stick around and stay tuned for that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this review. So first and foremost, right off the bat, I want to thank you guys, my subscribers, for helping me grow and continue to grow this channel. Whether you're from TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, wherever or however you came across my YouTube channel, I want to thank you guys. We're on our road to 1,000 subscribers. I believe we just hit a little over 700. I want to thank you guys. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the like button, drop a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, because we got really good content coming for you guys. But today's video is about a pressure washer and a foam cannon that I think you guys are definitely going to want to check out. Links will be down below in the description to all of the products I went over. So let's go ahead and show you guys the products that we're doing this review on. Alright, so what I have here is laid out the products that we're going to be using and reviewing today. So right here on the left, we have the Wholesun electric pressure washer from Amazon. I am going to have it linked in the description where you guys can buy this if you're interested. I've got our soap, which is the Pro 60 Ultimate Clean Suds Wash and Conditioner from Zephyr. First time using this soap, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how that's going to be. We've got our foam cannon right here from Amazon, bestseller. Really can't wait to try this out, see, if it's the best bang for your buck. And then I also have a mitt, which I will also link down in the description, that you can pick up, that we're going to wipe all our soap in our paint whenever we spray the foam on there. For the foam cannon, there's a bunch of lines. I'm probably going to fill it up in between the first and the two right here. You don't want to put too much soap, because you got to add soap and then after water, which is what gets it very sudsy or foamy or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to show you right here, me filling it. And right there, as you can see, I filled it in between the halfway between the first and the second. Alright, so let's start talking about the pressure washer. So it's got a hose that comes in right here to the front that routes to this hose, which goes to the end of the gun. That went well. You push that button in and the line comes out, which is where your water is going to go through. You push this button in, connect it there, goes like that. You have an on and off switch right here. And now, like I said, this is electric, so you have your cord right here, which you'll plug into an extension cord. I'll also post a link down in the description if you need to get an extension cord. And then right here is the spigot where you're going to put your water in. And then all you're going to do, once you do all that, is, like I said, turn your switch to on, and you're ready to go. Pretty simple for a pretty cheap pressure washer. Alright, so now we got our extension cord plugged in, we got our water on or plugged in, and we're going to flip our switch. And now we're ready to go. right, so as you guys saw, the pressure washer did a pretty good job. It's shoots out about 3,000 psi, which, I mean, it's a good amount of pressure, but nothing compared to like an industrial one. But for the average weekend warrior that wants to just get their car clean, get the debris from the road, it definitely gets the job done. I think it's well worth the money, to be honest. So if you guys are interested, like I said in the beginning, all the products I use will be down in the description if you guys want to purchase them. Basically, that's going to wrap up the video here. I want to thank you guys always for tuning in and helping me build this channel. Like I said in the beginning, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for some stuff that I got coming after that. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one.